When you first come into your class link under your My SDMC SSO, you're going to see lots of different icons for different options. What we want to do is create all of the folders on our OneDrive so that we can access to them at school or at home, on your cell phone, or anywhere else you might want to access your work. So you'll see there's an Office 365 icon. Click on it, and that will open the Office options that you might want to use. Now you're going to see over here on the left, right here, one that says Outlook, and then right underneath it, the OneDrive. It looks like a little blue cloud. Click on it. This will take you into your OneDrive location, and you can see here you can create new folders and upload and sync and automate and so on. What we want to do is create some new folders. So I'm going to click right here under New and select Folder. I want you to call this Adobe ACA Projects. There you go. And click Create. And you'll notice it creates this folder for you. Click it and open it up. Now, right now, nothing's in it, but I want us to go ahead and set up everything for our upcoming projects. So select New again in Folder and type Project 1 and go ahead and create it. And you'll do this again and again for 10 projects. Once you've got Project 1 created, keep doing that. Select New, Folder. Now we're going to go to Project 2 and enter. And you'll keep doing this until you've created 10 projects. As you can see, I've created 1 through 9 so far. I'm going to go ahead and create one more. New folder, and this will be Project 10. So I've created 10 folders so far. Now they are listed in the order that I created them. So I'm going to come up to my sort icon right here, hit this down arrow, and change the way it's sorted by name. And that puts Project 1 first and 10 and so on. Now notice it has 10 right after 1 because Project 1 and then 10 is listed like that. All right, so you can sort these based on what works for you, how you want to create it. Here's the descending order. Okay, notice again 1 and 10 will be together. I'm going to go back and set it to ascending. So let's open up the Project 1 folder, and I want to create in here another folder where I'll be storing images and files and things like that that I might need. So I'm going to select New again in Folder, and I'm going to name this Resources and click Create. So now inside my Adobe ACA Projects folder, I have a Project 1 folder, and inside that folder I have a folder called Resources. So you may end up adding more folders here throughout the year depending on what project you're working on, but let's start with that for beginning, for us to get going. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to go to each one of these folders, double click, open them up, create a new folder, and call it Resources. So every single one of your project folders should have inside of it a resources folder. So I expect you to set that up. All right, so you've got the idea. Go ahead and do that for every one of your, coming back up, for every one of these folders so that you're ready to go for each of our projects that we'll be working on.